Hey friends, today is June 26th. I just had breakfast, tried to extend my Airbnb, but it's completely full. So it's a little bit hectic here. Like, life is going. Tourists, cars, buses, food, everything. And this is a busy place. Now I just live there, like on the corner. So it's quite cool. Everything's very close. Maybe I'll go today to a waterfall. Didn't decide it yet. I'll know in like 1 hour. So I drove to Shifen Waterfall. There's still a little bit of way to go by foot to it, but I'm very close. So you need to walk for a bit. It's very touristic, a lot of tourists. But I knew when I went here. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. Some water going down the rocks. There's a water rainbow. So you don't have necessarily go to that road, it's longer. You can just go straight down this road and you'll reach the waterfall. It's much faster. So I came here, very windy. Last time I went, it was too late, it was 6. Now I'm gonna go check it out. I think the price is 120 for adult. So yeah, it costed 120. It's pretty empty today. It's Monday. That's cool. Last time it was full. It was Saturday. I suppose you can swim there. Maybe that's why the price is so high. Yeah, there's people swimming. That's cool. Yeah, a lot of people swimming. ground is quite cool. It's like a mixture of sand and rock. I don't know what it is, but it's quite cool. So returned the scooter. They gave me a discount, 100, because at first they said, I said pay by cash, then said if you're gonna take 600, I'll pay by card, and then they are saying like, okay, no problem. So yeah, so this is the place. If you need a scooter as a foreigner, just be very careful, because the traffic is quite hectic. This dude with a bunch of stuff on a scooter like hit the brakes. Yeah, he made like a dangerous situation. Like I saw another person just falling down the scooter. Just a guy and another guy was driving, and they just stopped and fell. It wasn't like a big crash, but they fell. So yeah, it's better go with a car. If you don't have a scooter license, just don't do it. I don't recommend it, because the longer I travel, the more hear situations about people just getting into crashes. Then they don't remember anything. Like, it's horrible, you know. So yeah, be careful. Get a license first. Get a bike license. Then do whatever you want. If you don't have a license, don't even think about it. So just had dinner at this place. Had beef noodles. Wasn't bad. If you wanna check it out, it's in Keelung. I'll show you the name. So this is it. Has a lot of reviews, so you're pleased to check it out if you want it. Keelung reminds me a little bit of Taipei. Very busy city. Just a reminder for myself, I did 115 kilometers in 2 days in this district. Ruifang, Keelung, the mountains. So it's okay. Mountains are harder than like straight roads, so I think it's not bad. Kind of feel out of energy. That mountain Taiping Shan required a lot of energy. It was quite a while ago, but still I was pushing myself. I went yesterday on that Keelung mountain also. It wasn't hard, but still I was in a hurry. But tomorrow I'm leaving to Keelung, so I'll have plenty of time to relax. I'll do all my videos. So yeah, I imagine if I would like push myself like this every day, like non-stop every day. Just go for 1 month. Yeah, I would actually better work. It's easier than just push yourself like this. You can't even enjoy it, you know. You're like just so tired. Everything's the same. So yeah, you need rest. To have a good experience, you need rest. You need to let your body, your mind to rest. You can't just keep on going every day. I'm just walking down the street and I see like red lights. Like on this kind of apartment, red light, you can see it there. I like this woman says, "Hey, you wanna bang her?" I was, yeah, no, I'm cool. Yeah, you can see red lights more here. I can't really film, so. It's like another night market, or just a market. So big. So I'm heading back to Ruifang. And the train is gonna be quite soon. I need to go to Badu first, and then there's a train to Ruifang. Doing my laundry. Bought a huge dragon fruit, like very big, like hand size, you know, for 60. And I started to open up, and like this juice came out, and I opened it up and it was not red, it was white. And I started to peel it, and like these maggots came out of it. So extra protein, but I didn't need it. So it's quite a shame. I was looking up for it. I'm gonna go get some fruit in Family Mart. So I'm back at my Airbnb, gonna go take a shower and gonna go to bed. Tomorrow I'm leaving to Kaohsiung. The host that I left my stuff didn't quite reply me yet, but she said okay if I come. I still need to figure out the process with the key. Hope it goes well tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys.